see the mountains, but those are the Rocky Mountains, and they're really close to me. You can see them really well from where I am. I'm about to get to the really pretty part of this part around here. This is a secret place behind my high school, and you can see the mountains, and there's a creek just up this road. So I'll be there in a sec. This place isn't as pretty as I remembered, but I was last here in the spring, and now it's winter, so it looks a lot different. We used to have a lot of snow here, but it all melted because it got really nice. Like, it's been 60 degrees out, Fahrenheit. A few weeks ago, though, it was like negative 20 degrees, so it's a big change, but it's exciting because all the snow is gone, and now we can enjoy the weather and not have to wear heavy coats and trudge around in snow boots all the time. I really don't like the snow, even though I live in Colorado, which was a stupid choice. It's really peaceful out here, even though it smells, and the creek is shallow now. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? So Sarah, you asked what I thought of Valentine's Day, and I really used to like it, but now I don't like it so much anymore. I just don't know why. I think now it just really annoys me and makes me feel depressed since I am currently single and will probably be single for a long time. So, yeah. I don't like it very much anymore. My school doesn't really do anything for Valentine's Day, but the day after Valentine's Day, my family and I always go to Walgreens because they have all the Valentine's Day stuff half off. Yeah, we're cheap that way. But today I got a frog, and it moves its head like this, and it goes, "What is love?" And it's awesome. I'll show it to you later. Maintenant, je parlerai français jusqu'à la termination de la vidéo. J'étudie le français depuis 4 ans et je l'aime beaucoup. Je ne peux pas attendre jusqu'à ce que je peux le parler tout le temps sans l'anglais. Je veux voyager en France parce qu'il serait très éducationnel et je m'amuserai bien. Quelque chose maintenant d'apprendre une langue qu'on ne sait pas, et avec la langue, on peut trouver les cultures derrière la langue. Les Français sont plus différents que les Américains, je vous dirais. Ils ne mangent pas beaucoup comme nous, pas toi, Sean, et ils croient des choses différentes. C'est intéressant. Myriam, merci beaucoup pour cette question que tu m'as demandée. Je l'aimais beaucoup et j'espère que tout le monde étudierait une langue qu'ils ne savent pas. Now for the dice game. I hope it doesn't fall in the water. Whoa! Piss. 2. That means Myriam. I have a challenge for you, Myriam. The next video you do, you have to do at least 5 jumping jacks in front of the camera. Bam. Humiliation. Peace out from the Mile High City. And now for a happy frog dance.